Good day, everyone. I hope we are all fine. So we are the Group 3 representer. And before we proceed to our main topic for today's lesson, first let us define what is 21st century literacy. So 21st century literacy is more than just on reading and writing. It's about knowing how to learn and know. And in today's world, being literate requires so much and more than the traditional literacy of yesterday. It is true that through deeper learning, many teachers and schools are already guiding the students into this new literacy. So well equipped to think critically in their own, and literacy skills increases the reflection of using technology and the ability to create, collaborate, and present information through multimedia. So I believe there are 7 literacies, but our chosen literacies is digital and media literacy. As you go along with us, you will know the definition of 2 literacies that we choose, which is our main topic.
When we say media literacy, this is the ability to access information that contains factual data and informative reports through articles, newspapers, television or radio broadcasting, or any mass media used in delivering a message. And by accessing information, you need to know how to comprehend and translate that message you receive so that you can be a reliable source to others. Another ability would be analyzing the data or the information you gathered, if it is also coming from a reliable source, or is it fake or not. And analyzing what the message is all about, if it talks about the issues, the trends, or about someone.
Communication. Communication skills are strongly linked to development of reading and writing. So recognizing how dominating mass communication is in our lives and around the world is crucial ability for media literacy. Our actions, attitudes, beliefs, and habits are directly and indirectly shaped. So informed, represented, reflected, created, moved, and educated by the media through mass communication. Use of information. The ability to find, assess, organize, use, and communicate information in all of these different forms is known as information. So this ability is particularly important in circumstances where making decisions, problem solving, or learning new information are required. So media and information literacy refers to the body of knowledge, attitudes, and abilities necessary to understand when and what information is required, where to find it, and how to recognize it after finding it. So how to critically assess it and how to use it ethically. Use of technology. So media literacy includes knowledge of both physical and virtual means of communicating ideas. Hence, it is strongly tied to technology. So technology is the creative means to accomplish such as a goal. So it is obvious that technology is important. It places restrictions on the uses of medium and makes some types of media more appropriate for particular purposes than others.
Ability to read. We can improve our reading skills by reading news, articles, and other information online, because improving our reading skills allow us to interpret and find meaning in everything we read and can help us communicate more effectively. Literacy affects so many aspects of our lives that it can be a valuable skill to have in both personal and professional life. Digital technology. Electronic tools, systems, devices, and other resources that generate, store, or process data are referred to as digital technologies. Social media, online games, multimedia, and mobile phones are all well-known examples. Communication devices. A communications devices is any piece of hardware that can transmit data, instructions, and information between a sending and receiving device. A modem is a type of communication device that connects a communication channel to a sending or receiving device, like a computer, smartphones, Wi-Fi, infrared devices, Bluetooth devices, and other communication devices are examples.
Creativity. Children are at a great advantage with understanding of digital literacy, and with most schools now require projects and assignments being submitted online. So children are expected to have basic skills such as able to type a document and as well as being able to use the internet safely. With the help of technology, the students can create beautiful works or projects using different apps like Canva and other apps that they know. It can help develop their editing skills using those apps. Next is collaboration. It is just not about building relationship towards others, but also learning to build on one another's knowledge and expertise that involves respect, listening, and cultivating. While building skills for successful teamwork is important, it is just the beginning of collaboration in the 21st century classroom. If you want to prepare the students for high-level thinking and work, we need to give them access to real work with experts and colleagues in the field of study. Next is analyze information. The pace of change is accelerating. In the 21st century, the pace of change is much faster, meaning the students must learn more quickly to keep up with the latest information. We need to be able to identify what is the real and relevant not just for the school, but for learning, life, and work. In our world today, we need to know when and why you need the information, where to find it, and how to use it in a proper way.